Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to talk about how to get your first Titanic pet in Petsco. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and upgrade all the new upgrades that you can. You can see here on my screen what's all the new stuff. I would recommend to get all of these upgrades for holiday boss chest damage. And also this better holiday boss chest loot. Just make sure you unlock all of this, since they will give you a lot more chances to get what you need to be able to actually roll a Titanic pet. And after you finish with those upgrades, next thing that we need to do is go to North Pole. You can find this area on the map where you can travel to the North Pole. Just go ahead and go there and you will find yourself in this new area. So you can actually get Titanic Pet only out of this Santa egg. Those are the only ones that are dropping Titanic Pet. So make sure you gather a lot of those. So if you find this area on the map, you can give your pets for more Santa eggs. And you should know that you can get Titanic Pet only out of these Santa eggs. So those are very important. They are dropped every hour by Santa. You will see the notification on your screen. As you can see, there is notification on my screen that Santa is here. We were waiting 7 p.m. to get him to drop us some more eggs. And we got this notification and you can see eggs dropping on the map. And if we go into our inventory, we can see we gathered 17 of Santa eggs. So what we need to do now, in order to get the most out of these eggs and to be able to get Titanic Pet, we also need to find this Santa's scroll, which will give you 1000 luck to hatch Santa's pets. And this will increase your chances for getting Titanic Pet. You can find this scroll by breaking the big boss chest, this one that I'm breaking right now. It will drop a lot of potions and stuff for you, but the most important, it will drop scrolls, different kind of scrolls that you can use during this event. And the most important for Titanic is the Santa scroll that I already showed you, so make sure you grab that before opening those eggs. And also make sure you activate the blizzard. So we started gathering potions for blizzard, started crafting everything that we need, and as you can see, while we were breaking the big chest, somebody from our server activated the blizzard, and we didn't need to use our potion, but you can also activate it with the blizzard potion if you have one. If not, you can craft it. Make sure to check our video on that if you don't know how to craft blizzard potion. And once you get your blizzard activated, you can start opening your eggs. So you have only 5 minutes. Make sure you grab your best potions before this. And also the Santa scroll, you should activate that definitely, which will last only 2 minutes. So be quick and open all the eggs fast. So let's check our luck with these eggs and I will get back to you shortly. Unfortunately, we didn't get Titanic Pet from these eggs that we had, but I will continue gathering those eggs and we'll try to get my first Titanic Pet. By now, already 40 people did roll Titanic Pets, so there is chances. They are very small, but there is some chances for us to get it, and I will make sure to let you know if we do get some. So that's all about Titanic Pets, guys, that you need to know for this update. Hopefully some of you will get those Titanic Pets. So please do let me know down in the comments what you think about this new update, and did you have any luck rolling this Titanic Pet? That will be all for this video, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe if this video helped you, and I will see you in the next one.